Google Chrome quietly added a new feature to Google Chrome this past week, so I need to make a quick tip video about it. Sometimes I will get an email and I'll get a meeting invite for a particular day, and if I'm on a device that I don't have a dual screen setup, I'm forced to just switch back and forth between tabs. Hey, can we meet on December 19th at 5 p.m.? I can look at this, I can go back, I can type. Sometimes that just isn't super great. So on any open tab that you have, you can do split view. So let's say we want to split the view between Gmail and our calendar. I'm going to right click on the calendar. I'm going to go to new split view with current tab, and that is going to split my view. Check that out. We've got the calendar over here. We've got the meeting over here. And then if I go to where it kind of combined the tabs together there and I right click on that, I can go to arrange split view and I can do things like reversing the views. Maybe I want them on different sides of the screen for whatever reason. Or if I just go to separate views, it will separate those back out, and I've got my two tabs that are back and separated and good to go. So quietly, again, Google, they like to roll out those new features and not tell anybody about it, but job security for Ronnie. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you're well, and as always, happy ed teching.